This is the adjustable Strzelecki Rackless base. Mainly used on the GSs, the 1200 plus GSs, the Husqvarna 901 and the KLR Gen 3. This is where it's going to get really good for you. So you've already got it fitted to your bike. You want BASELOCK, because what BASELOCK is going to do, you know, on this joint here, how it sits over the back of your seats on the corner, you got that little bit of flex. Not a lot, but it just flexes like that. So what BASELOCK does, it eliminates that flex altogether. And that flex is not much, but still it's like a join. So BASELOCK, once you only fit this on once you've already had it fitted to you, you've fitted your system to your bike, and we fit this up so it's all lined up properly. That's what we just lay it on top of it. We make sure this is all clean. All right, clean it all off. If you've been using it, clean it all off. Get all the dirt off it. All right, so then this is how we do it. We fit it on. You're going to be blown away at this. So we carefully peel the sticker off. We keep it in place. We don't want it to move. So just be careful. Just take your time. You don't have to rush. You don't have to rush this. You pull that off. Yeah, really sticky. So try and not touch it like I did. We stick it down because that's going to be straight in the same spot. So what that has just done, that's gone from our floppy sides to that, right? So you fit it back onto your bike and you're going to have to mold it again. So we're going to have to, you won't break this. We're going to push down where the edge of your seat would go and we're going to bend it. This is non-memory, so it won't come back. It'll come back a little bit, but it's not going to come back all the way. We bend it up. Just where your seat goes over the top, which I would say on, well, we designed this on a GS. I designed the edge, this part here, to fit the GS and the 901. It's what it was designed on. So it's what it's for. You have no longer got that little bit of movement there, and that will sit on your bike so well, so tight. So guys, there you go. That's solid as a rock. Still keep your sides in. You know, we still have our inserts. We leave them in.